Hey there everyone, welcome back to Spreading Skills. I hope that you all are doing great. I am here again with another video. आज की वीडियो में हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे सोशल मीडिया टॉपिक के बारे में। जैसे कि मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया है कि मैं 7 वीडियोस बनाऊंगी जिसमें हम लोग मिलके प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। माय नेम इज श्वेता सिंह एंड आई एम इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग एंड पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट कोच। आज की वीडियो होने वाली है एपिसोड नंबर 2 ऑफ फ्लुएंसी सीरीज, जिसमें आप मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करोगे, जिसमें आप सीखोगे कि प्रैक्टिस एक्चुअली कैसे करी जाती है। ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो बहुत ट्रेंडिंग है। मोस्ट ऑफ द ग्रुप डिस्कशंस, जितने भी ग्रुप डिस्कशंस होते हैं फॉर इंटरव्यू पर्पस, उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस टॉपिक को पूछा जाता है कि सोशल मीडिया के एडवांटेजेस क्या है, डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है, इज इट बून और बेन। There are so many questions related to this certain topic. इसलिए मैंने इस टॉपिक को चूज किया है। सबसे पहले आपको मेरी बात को बहुत ध्यान से सुनना होगा। उसी पॉइंट से रिलेटेड आप 4 पॉइंट्स लिखोगे जिसको आप अपनी एक्सप्लेनेशन में बोलोगे। यानी कि जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आप उन्हीं पॉइंट्स को कंसिडर कर करके उसी को एग्जैजरेट करेंगे। साथ ही साथ आप अपने पास्ट प्रेजेंट को कंपेयर करके भी बोल सकते हैं। ये प्रैक्टिस बहुत इफेक्टिव है और ये आपके लिए ट्रिमेंडस चेंज और अपॉर्चुनिटी है जिसमें आप इंग्लिश बोलने की प्रैक्टिस मेरे साथ करोगे। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आवर प्रैक्टिस सेशन, मैं चाहूंगी कि आप एक नोटबुक और पेन लेकर के बैठो जिसमें आप अपने पॉइंट्स को लिखते चलो, फिर आपको एक्सप्लेन करने में आइडिया रहेगा कि मैं क्या बोलूँ। ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Number 1 question, let's see what is our number 1 question. The number 1 question is, what do you think of social media? Is it necessary in today's modern world? Okay, is it necessary in the modern world? Okay. What do you think of social media? आप क्या सोचते हो सोशल मीडिया के बारे में? Is it necessary in the modern world? Is it necessary in the modern world? अब आप अपनी नोटबुक और पेन लीजिए, अपने आइडियाज़ को उस नोटबुक में लिखिए और उसी को एक्सप्लेन करिएगा। पॉज कर लीजिए ये वीडियो, जैसे ही आप रेडी हो स्टार्ट कर दीजिएगा। ओके, सो व्हाट डू आई थिंक? आई विल गिव यू माय एग्जांपल आंसर। यू कैन स्टार्ट। सो एवरीवन, आर यू रेडी विद योर आंसर? Okay, you got it guys. Let's start, okay? So this is going to be my example answer, you give yours, okay? So according to me, social media is a double-edged sword. The meaning of double-edged sword is do dhari talwar. I think it totally depends on a human being, what the human is making of it. I see that people always believe social media is toxic, social media is depressing, it wastes a lot of time. When human being itself is someone to blame for. I think more than social media, we all are responsible for the destructive use of social media, because the person who is using the social media in a wrong way is someone to blame for. That person is responsible for wasting their time, for becoming toxic, for depressing themselves. Social media is not depressing everyone. So keeping that in mind, I think social media is a great way and a game changer in today's world. It is important for us to know how to use it. And the connectivity is one of the biggest miracles of social media. If you want to connect to someone who is living far from you, you can connect with them in just few clicks. Your loved ones are just few clicks away from you. Isn't that miraculous? We always think about miracles and miracles. I think that social media is no less than miracle. If you can talk to someone who is living far away from you, you can talk to them easily. You can see them easily. What else do you want? I know that social media can be used destructively as well. But as I said that I'm going to focus on the positive aspect of it, because I think that if a person is focusing on the positive aspect, if the person is using it in a right way, then social media turns out to be the best thing of your life. When it comes to learning, you can learn anything. It's a treasure trove for you. If you want to learn language, you can just search for language and you can learn from the day one until end. If you want to learn dance, there is something. There are people who are teaching dance and you can acquire it for free of cost. What else do you want in your life? Whether you are starting a small business, You can show about your brand. What services do you provide for free of cost? Whether you are raising your voice for the justice of people, for animal cruelty, social media can be the great way to reach people worldwide. You can reach to anyone in a matter of seconds. I think for businesses, social media is a gold mine. You can earn a lot of money, you can sell your product online without working hard or buying place for selling your things. I know there is the other face of social media which is destructive, depressing, and really frustrating and life-changing as well. But I think, as I said, that it depends on the human being what they are making of it. Let's move to the next question, which is, do you use social media? I don't want your yes or no answer because it is too easy. We are here to speak. In this video, I want you to speak as much as you can, okay? So exaggerate your answer. If you use social media, then what is the reason of using it? And if you do not use it, then what is the reason of not using social media? I want your answer in detail, okay? So be ready with your answer, write down some points, write down your answers, write down your ideas, and be ready for speaking, okay? Let's get started, everyone. I am ready with my answer. So let's start. So we are living in digital age, and in today's digital age, social media platforms have become an integral part of many people's life. However, I choose not to use social media for various reasons. I will explain every reason in detail, and I hope that you are also going to explain your answers in detail. There is a solid reason why I do not use social media, and that reason is my privacy concern. That is my personal choice to not use any social media platforms. But most of the time, it is my concern related to my privacy. I always prioritize my personal space, my privacy, because most of the social media, it requires your personal data. And if you do not share it, you won't be able to access any social media platform. When you share your personal data online, it can be accessed by wide audience. Anyone can see your personal information. Anyone can see your address, where do you live, your location, and everything. So that is the main concern why I do not use social media. People are tagging their location that they are there and they are on this location, which is so scary for me. Anyone can do anything with you. By not using social media, I live my life freely. I don't have any concern that my personal data is being shared by someone with someone. I love to live my life freely. But more likely, I'm interested in personal interaction, face-to-face interaction. When I interact with people, I know them deeper, and which makes me feel so good because this interaction is true. But in social media, when you are interacting with someone, you don't know whether they are true or not, because anyone can make fake account. Anyone can do any scam with you.